Hello? Can you hear that big echo? Hello everyone, welcome back to Wisdom Bag. Today we're exploring a natural cave. Come along and learn English with us. First, we check our equipment. We both have backpacks and flashlights. Wow, mine's bright. Wow, this is a huge cave. It feels like a different world. Laughing. We are walking inside the cave. It is very dark here. Look at this. Look at this wall. The limestone wall has sharp angles. Hello? Can you hear that big echo? Look up at the ceiling. We can see many sharp stalactites. It is very cool inside the cave. I love this feeling. Hey, check out that formation up there. Hey, look down here. There is a hidden stream. Oh, wow. We found a secret stream. The rocks are slippery. We move forward carefully. Our flashlights help us see the path clearly. Wow, look at that! This is a great adventure. Yes! I am so happy we came here today. Suddenly, we see light ahead. The exit is near. Wow, look at that! Now we are walking out of the cave. This journey has been amazing. Let's capture this beautiful view. I hope you enjoyed this journey and fun English lesson. Please subscribe to Wisdom Bag for more. Goodbye. Bye-bye, everyone.